Sometimes a mystery, sometimes I'm free, depending on my mood, on my attitude. Sometimes I wanna roll or stay at home, walking contradiction, get some factual and fiction.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel, Viania. In this video, I'll be doing a wash day and a little review on the Curltastic brush. For those of you who follow me on Instagram and watch my stories, know that I've been waiting for this brush for a while. Hopefully this brush is better than their shipping because it took 2 to 3 weeks for me to actually get this brush. Everyone kept telling me like, no, this brush is good at detangling, so we'll see. First, I like to start off my wash days by rinsing my entire head. Right now, I'm using the Pantene Gold Series Moisture Booster Conditioner. So first, I'm going to put a little bit over the whole entire hair and then split it up into sections. Yeah, I got a lot of knots in here, so the brush better work. I'm going to get this section wet again. Add a little bit more conditioner. And I'm going to finger it tingle. Oh man, there's so many knots. Oh yeah. This is a mess. This brush better work. But when I'm able to get my fingers through the hair without knots, then that's when I'm going to brush. I don't want the brush pulling in unnecessary hairs. It could all be knots. Okay, so my fingers are going through. Alright, I'll put a little more conditioner in there. Because I want this brush to go through smoothly and I don't want to get any knots ripped out. Here it goes. I'm like happy, nervous and stuff. Okay, that seems easy so far. I'm scared to like let it go through fully. Okay. 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 I like it. See. Ooh, a lot of hair came out. So far, I like it. This was a little piece, guys. This is a little piece. Let's go with the bigger piece. Let's do less the finger detangling, and let's just see how the brush does by itself. I'm gonna add a little more conditioner. Alright, do the finger detangle, let's see. Ooh, I see it stretching a lot. There's a lot now. Ow. Ooh, I don't know. I want to finger detangle first. Oh, yeah. Just pulling out my hair is a question. That's my big question. My hair being pulled out, but it feels like a normal brush. I mean, it's going through faster than a normal brush, but it's still pulling. I don't know. Well, I guess that was fast. Normal brush, I would have stopped and detangled it. Okay. Okay. Okay, Curltastic. So far, it's better than your shipping. It did pull out a lot of hair though. I don't know if it's because I haven't did my hair in like 2 weeks or not. could be the case, but I don't know. It does cool. I thought it would do less cooling since it like opens up like that, but it's still kind of cool. So. But I like the way it feels like gliding in my hair when it's detangled. When it's tangled, it does kind of pull a little bit. It's still pulling out here. The last section we split it in half. This section I'm just going to do all of it and see how we can tackle this with this brush. Ooh, it's itching. I can't wait to use shampoo. Right. I'm running now. So if you guys have any suggestions for my next product, let me know. I want a finger to tingle this just a little bit, just because it's like a big section. Alright, brush. Okay, let's roll this back. Okay. Okay. I'm feeling it. As far as the tingling time, yeah, it's pretty bad. I like it. Yeah. So to tingle half my hair in like what? That was not even 5 minutes, like 2, 3. And to tingle my whole head after not washing for 2 weeks. That was pretty bad. Pretty bad. And it's smooth. It feels nice. Like my hair feels smooth and nice. I like these. So here's how much shedding. Oh, terrible. Here's how much shedding came out my whole head. Not too much, but I don't know. I don't think it's that much, honestly. So far, I like this brush. I give it 9 out of 10. Minus the shipping, so bring that down to a 7. Next, we're going to go in with the Pantene Gold Series Moisture Boosting Shampoo. And no, I did not rinse out the conditioner yet. I leave it in just because I don't want to strip my hair. Even though this shampoo is not stripping, I still like to leave the conditioner in and condition the ends while I kind of get to the roots of my hair. So I mostly want to clean my scalp. Get that all on your scalp. It's clean. Side, front, back. And now I'm going to go in with my favorite my favorite scalp massager. Oh, look at my twisted coming out. It's okay. Alright, so it's vibrating. You guys see it? I don't know. Okay. Pretty fun. Oh, yeah. This is my favorite. This is my favorite part. Just want to make sure you get all that dirt and stuff out of your scalp. My scalp is itching. You want to get it all out. Don't build up. None of that. Get out. Might as well just take it all down at this point. So I'm doing my hair slicked back in a ponytail. I'm going to make sure I get the front really good because there should be lot of buildup from me flicking my hair down and oiling it every day. Now I'm going to go in with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Treatment Mask. I like this one just because it has shea butter, peppermint oil, which helps stimulate the growth in your scalp, and then apple cider vinegar because my scalp gets itchy a lot, and the apple cider vinegar definitely helps with that. So this is one of my favorite masks. It looks disgusting. It smells like sweet clay, so if you like that. I'm going to sections again. Just gonna do front and back, honestly, because this brush can be going through. Right, so after I do sections, I get a lot, honestly. I just love this stuff. I make sure my hair is completely lathered. Oh, y'all, I don't have the finger detanglements where I can use my brush. Honestly, this is going a lot faster. Like, my showers are usually like an hour or two to detangle all this, especially after not doing my hair for 2 weeks. So, I say this is pretty good. So once it's in, I like to use a reusable shower cap to let the heat from my scalp heat up this mask so you can get some more moisture in it. The directions on there say to leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it in for like 30 minutes to an hour so it can really marinate and soak up in all that moisture that my hair needs. So I'll see you guys in like 30 minutes to an hour.
2 hours later.
Alright, so it's been well over an hour, but let's rinse this out. So soft. End it off with really cold water to lock the moisture in and close my oh god. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you like this video of my updated wash day routine and my review on the Curltastic brush. Like I said, 9 out of 10 as far as the tangling, but altogether 7 out of 10 because the shipping did take forever and I wanted to wash my hair 2 weeks ago. Anyway, but hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and leave a comment below if you have this brush and how you like it. So bye guys, thank you.